And to Kano State, where officials of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency are holding talks with heads of tertiary institutions following a reported surge in drug abuse across campuses. The move is part of efforts to strengthen the implementation of the drug prevention policy in higher institutions. TVC News senior reporter Ibrahim Isa reports.
Drug abuse has remained a major concern for governments and stakeholders over the years. In Kano, the Directorate of Counseling, Treatment and Rehabilitation of the NDLEA is meeting with heads of institutions amid growing concerns over substance abuse among students. The agency says recent operations led to the arrest of suspected student offenders and the recovery of illicit substances.
There was a series of complaints about drug activities within the old campus. Last week, we dislodged the joints and made reasonable arrest and recovered some exhibit from them. There were about 17 people arrested, and different associated hard drugs were recovered. Cannabis, sativa, diazepam, refinol were recovered.
The chairman and chief executive officer of the NDLEA, represented by the Zone 5 Zonal Commander, Muhammad Ajia, described the sensitization campaign as critical, noting that tertiary institutions are increasingly being targeted for the distribution of illicit drugs.
Tertiary institutions play a pivotal role in shaping the minds, values, and aspirations of the next generation. Yet, these institutions have increasingly become targets for the circulation of illicit substances and recreational drug experimentation.
In a related development, elder stateswoman and politician Naja'atu Muhammad has called on government and well-meaning Nigerians to prioritize youth empowerment as a strategy to curb drug abuse and other social vices. She made the appeal while addressing a press conference in Kano.
If we do not act, guide you towards self-reliance and prepare you, desperation may force some of you into open arms of crime, drugs, or radical hopelessness. That is why skills matter. Not only do skills put food on the table, they restore dignity.
Officials say sustained advocacy, enforcement, and collaboration with stakeholders will continue to ensure drug abuse among youths, particularly on campuses, is reduced to the barest minimum. Ibrahim Isa, TVC News, Kano.